How to start Ramlog is probably one of the most scary parts of Ramlog. So the first thing you must do is go to the Ramlog manager. This assumes that you have had the database link to SQL setup. If you haven't, then please watch the video on how to do that. The screen will pop up after a while. Go to database management. Go to whatever SQL server was set up. Right click to connect to the server. Choose Windows Authentication. It will connect and it will then show your server. Go back to users, restart the service, click on yes, and after a while, depending on the speed of your machine and your link to the server, Ramlog is now ready to use. You can then minimize this window, go to your Ramlog information module, and if it starts up showing this field here, you know you've successfully connected to the server. You can change if you want to. If you've got more than one server, you can link to that. And then type in your username and password, and you can log on to Ramlog. Your Ramlog screen will come up as a default.